they still chasing each other?
You're too focused on the bird.
Look at him. His wing's a different wing.
Look at him. Nice prank. We're going into the jungle. Tree of life. This video does not do justice because it's huge. And I don't think you can see that it's really huge, but it's huge, man.
Good job.
There they are.
Not that deep.
Not like water?
Maybe they don't. Look at them go.
Come here!
That's a hawk calling.
Yeah.
He's right there.
Right there. Hello. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing, dude? Hey. Hey, what are you doing?
Get up.
What are you doing?
His nails. The trim.
Hey. Hey. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No? Oh, hello.
And there's another one over there.
I'm zoomed in today because we're gonna go see animals like this one, but a real one. What are we looking at here?
Yeah, probably. Oh, what's that? What kind of peacock is that?
I have no idea. Don't eat the peacock, mister.
What peacock is that?
I don't know, it's like a missing.
A Disney peacock.
Come here!
It's got such strange colors. Yeah.
I'll be an ice for trap.
What's oh he's sleeping. Why are you sleeping? Why you sleep?
Oh, you slept.
What happened?
The bird just flew really close down. Ooh. Ooh. Are they chasing each other?
Yeah.
The pied imperial pigeon.
Oh my gosh! Hey, mister. Hey. How you doing? How you doing? Mom?
Hello, Victoria. What you got there? You gonna give it to me?
Want it?
You gonna give it to me?
Oh my god, I thought there was a bird on me.
Don't worry. Wait a few minutes and there will be. Hello, building your nest? All right, go ahead.
I know.
Hey, dude.
It's a great Argus pheasant.
Hi. How you doing?
Great Argus pheasant.
Hello there.
Hi. How you doing?
You could like take a picture with a bird.
What's up?
Yeah, here, take a picture of me with a bird. Me.
Where are you going?
Don't try to pet the
Oh, hello. Hello, mister. Roya! Roya!
I know.
There's a nice, pretty blue one. Oh.
Wow.
Hey. Ah, kids. Hotel Berudica. Harambe Market. Curry style sausages. We are in a jungle now. Jungle. You like my shirt though? Jurassic Park.
Here come some bongos. Bongos? Known as ghosts of the forest. They're horns. While to our right, Let's see, there's a small yellow-backed tiger out there with a yellow patch of fur on its back.
How much?
What alarm the fur would stand on then, while the dagger that's out here because it alerts sound well. The second tallest antelope that grows to 750 pounds. Oh, I see a black rhino to our left, about halfway up the hill on the right edge. See it standing right there.
Chilling.
Black rhinos have been hunted down to near extinction. Hundreds of thousands have been killed for their horns are less than 5,000.
Keep it in and
That rhino's got a pretty thick hide all over and can charge as fast as 35 miles per hour. That would make it a rough and tough animal. We have been working with groups of people in Africa that have been training and recruiting wildlife security teams. They are tasked to protect over 70 different species of animals. Oh, sure enough. I see a couple of hippos straight ahead. Press a cormorant on one of the branches jutting out. Whenever it goes fishing, it can dive into the water and torpedo its way through. There's also fishermen that fall by scooping up and then draining out the water. They can eat whatever they catch. Some of their nesting colonies can be found on around here. We're passing some termite mounds, which are as hard as concrete. Elephants use the mounds as scratching posts. Once worn down, antelopes climb up. Now we know how giraffes have long necks to reach high places for food. Mandrills help us establish social bonds with each other. Should be playing more elephants where that one came from.
He sees us.
They can cool themselves down just by flapping their ears. That can reduce the body temperature by 15 degrees with the help of the blood vessels traveling through
You like it?
15 hours of the day and active.
Hello.
While lions do group together to hunt in prides, it's the lioness who does the majority hunting.
Hawk.
And stripes.
It's a crowded tank.
And I would like to say here is
The teeny tiny guy.
this is the big one.
These guys are losing. They're losing their habitat to something everybody has in their hand in their pocket. Your cell phone can drop a mineral called gold.
That's what he wanted to do.
Gold in the circle.
Picking up the
It's found right where they live.
grab on. Yes.
Badges for your Wilderness Explorer book. Lots of cool animals inside there.
They like to eat
And
fresh, delicious
if you're a
food
fan
or
of the
yucky
Lion
dead food.
Guard on Disney Junior,
Yucky dead food,
you can
that's
go
right.
in there. We
So
got
they
a cool
keep us
Lion
clean
Guard
and healthy.
backdrop where you can get your
Think how
photo
yucky
taken
and gross it
while you're
is
having
to
the
clean up
Lion
the dead
Guard
animals,
pledge
right?
given to you. And then when you're done,
He
you're
has
going
a
to get a mark
special
with the
stomach
shield
that lets
Lion
him eat
Guard
all kinds of
button.
yucky dead food.
What's up, dude? What's up?
I think there's another kind over there.
Hey, dude. Aw, you're a baby. Hey, you baby. Hey, come back. Hi, little baby. This is the sky. This is the sky, guys.
Jesus, look at the sky.
Look at, oh, Jesus. Jurassic Park. Lusher. This is the tree of life we are going into now. Oh, it's so bright. I don't know if they can see anything because I can't see anything. Oh, now it's gonna be dark. Tree of Life? Now going into Tree of Life. Taking the monorail to Roya's birthday dinner.
Did I even take my phone?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, wow. You're just so convenient. What time is it?
We are traveling to Disney's Contemporary Resort. During our travels, please
So pretty. The train of the future. Yeah, kind of cool, huh?
This is a pretty nice resort. I'm very yellow. This lighting is so yellow. But it's okay because I'm Asian and I'm yellow. It's a nice resort, eh? I think so too. Oh, Hannah.
And while you're here, we're all your cousins. And our cousin Rose is going to bring dinner over family style for you.
We are all family here. Disney's family.
Hello, cousin. All right, right this way.
Nice, 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 nice. Chicken wings. Chicken wings.
Well, not bad for your first try, but some of you sound like you're full. Aloha, good evening and welcome. Yes, welcome here to Oahu's. My name is Kaleti. I come from the South Samoa.
No, I went from right here.
Aloha.
From right here. Yes.
So let's try it one more time. I also like the Hawaiian. Are you sure you're Hawaiian?
This is the end of the vlog. It's so bright outside right now. And it's like 6 p.m. About to go to the gym and then put this all together and then upload this Disney vlog for you, and then I have another vlog to edit, which is dropping sometime this week. I am using my iPhone camera right now, so I'm sorry about the quality of the sound and the video because I need to send my cameras in for repair once again because something happened to it and I can't record anymore. But I hope you enjoyed that Disney vlog, and I will see you very soon. Yes, I am fixing my hair. I will see you very soon. But until then, if life gets boring, improvise.